Hard work pays. Guys, the reason I have this screen showing is because I talk crypto. I talk crypto all the time. And I love what I do. It's not just because I want you guys to see what I'm doing, because I love what I'm doing. And the list I have here are the most popular and in volume, the top 10, top 20 volume crypto exchanges. You can see number 9. Pay attention on a number 9. The number 9 exchange is, let me see if I can bring my notes here. The number 9 exchange is MEX. MEX exchange is the 9th most popular in volume and business as well. Trades executed a day based on the coin market cap and other coin lists. Because, as I said again on the beginning of my video, hard work pays. I am featured now to work what MEX is, and I'm really happy to have my name showing on the 9th most popular, most famous, most important crypto exchange in the world. I am working with MEX to bring you guys more education, more understanding, more clarity. If I will be sharing this link on the description of this video, and then you guys will have really good stuff when you sign up, and you can see so I will bring everything I know, everything I can understand about MEX, all my experience, everything I know about crypto. I will bring it on YouTube for free. In the exchange, the only thing I ask, disclaiming, the link I will be showing you and sharing with you guys is a referral link for MEX. So it means when you use my link to sign up into MEX, I'll get rewarded, you get rewarded, everyone wins. You get all the education from me, I get some financial reward from you. Disclaiming, I'm not working for MEX, I'm working to myself, but I am bringing all my experience while using MEX, and I'm trying to show you why I trust MEX as platform. And with that said, I would like to invite you to keep paying attention to my content. Leave your thumbs up, likes and subscribe, and share this video if you find it interesting. Share with your network, and I'll see you on my next video. Don't miss out. Don't forget to click on that the alert button in the notification so you don't miss out anything I will publish. And I'll see you on the next video.